India's battle against the COVID-19 pandemic requires continuous change, upgradation and innovations, Prime Minister Narendra Modi said on Thursday, while cautioning administrators of 10 states that the fight against the pandemic will be over only when it is wiped out from even the smallest area. He also said the infection was now a cause of concern for young people and children. Indian Prime Minister Narendra Modi, during a virtual meeting with district magistrates from 10 states regarding the COVID-19 situation on the ground on Thursday, said, "Our strategy to deal with COVID-19 should be dynamic, innovative and constantly upgraded just as the virus mutates." In view of the declining active COVID-19 cases across the country, the Prime Minister cautioned the states against laxity in COVID-appropriate behavior and expressed concern that infection was now a cause of concern for young people and children. There is a growing worry that a particular aggressive strain, B.1.617.2, is infecting younger age groups. He said that coronavirus vaccine wastage was a major problem in the country and asked district officials to make sure that this was curbed.
पिछली महामारी हो या फिर ये समय, हर महामारी ने हमें एक बात सिखाई है। महामारी से डील करने के हमारे तौर तरीकों में निरंतर बदलाव, निरंतर इनोवेशन, निरंतर अपग्रेडेशन बहुत जरूरी है। ये वायरस म्यूटेशन में स्वरूप बदलने में माहिर है। एक प्रकार से बहुरूपिया भी है और ये वायरस धूर्त भी है। तो हमारे तरीके और स्ट्रेटेजीज भी डायनेमिक होने चाहिए।
Meanwhile, India has ordered tighter surveillance of a rare fungal disease, mucormycosis or black fungus, hitting COVID-19 patients, officials said on Thursday, piling pressures on hospitals struggling with the world's highest number of daily infections of the novel coronavirus. Two Indian states, Telangana and Rajasthan, have declared mucormycosis as an epidemic after rapid surge. Mucormycosis or black fungus usually infects people whose immune system has been compromised, causing blackening or discoloration over the nose, blurred or double vision, chest pain, breathing difficulties and coughing blood. Meanwhile, India reported 276,070 new COVID-19 cases and 3,874 deaths in the last 24 hours, taking the cumulative case load to 25.7 million.